So microdermabrasion is a treatment we offer to our patients prior to any sort of skin conditioning routine. It involves sort of using a sandblasting type technology, if you like, where a patient comes in and a microdermabrasion machine is applied to their face. It takes off that dead top layer of the skin and just freshens the face up. We don't promise that it's going to change lines and wrinkles. It won't get rid of pigments that have been there from a result of sun damage, but it will give them a fresher approach and allows us a new fresh palette to start on in terms of moving on to other treatments following. So it's a good starting point for any aesthetic routine. It's suitable certainly for younger patients who might want to have a fresher look before a formal or a big event, and also as their starting point in an aesthetic treatment plan for our older patients as a way of sort of starting the cleansing of the palate of the skin. It takes about half an hour and minimal downtime and no pain involved with it.